Meaning of golden syrup.
Golden syrup.
Golden syrup.
Golden syrup.
Golden syrup. Golden syrup is a type of inverted sugar syrup, which means it is made from sucrose that has been chemically transformed into glucose and fructose. It is a thick, amber-colored syrup with a rich, caramel-like flavor and a slightly viscous texture. Golden syrup is commonly used as a sweetener in baking and cooking, particularly in British and Commonwealth cuisine. It can be used in recipes such as cakes, biscuits, flapjacks, and puddings. The distinctive flavor and texture of golden syrup make it a beloved ingredient among home cooks and professional chefs alike.